welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Amanda, and for those of you that are already subscribed, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Carli Bybel palette. I picked this up. I've always been a big fan of Carli since I started watching videos on YouTube regarding makeup. She was one of my first that I actually followed and subscribed to. So I'm very excited to try this palette. I didn't get around to trying her last palette, but we're gonna see how this one does. I've heard lots of good reviews and they look really pretty. All of the colors, all the eyeshadows, and then their highlighters. So we'll see how this does. If you want to keep watching, if you want to see how I get this look, please keep watching. Okay, so as you can see, my face is already done. I'm just going to do my eyes, and I wanted to do the face first to see if there is any kind of fallout with her palette. I don't think there would be, but we'll see. So first color that I'm going to use, I'm going to stick with more purpley tones, I think, today, and maybe some pinks. We'll see. We'll see. So I'm going to pop this color right into my crease with my fluffy brush. Okay, and I'm going to be taking the color right next to it, this purpley color right here, and dusting that on my eyelid. I'm going to be taking this pink sort of tannish color right here, and I'm going to be popping that back into that crease and bringing it up somewhat onto the brow bone. I know, I put on eyeshadow out of order, but it's what I like to do. It's what works for me, so judge me, don't judge me, whatever. Not going to offend me. It is a very pretty color. It looks a little bit... Okay, and I'm going to go into the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going to be using this purple color right here with my thumb pointing to. And going back in with that purpley shade that we first did, we're going to pop that back into the crease and just deepen that color up a bit more. I'm going to be taking this, I'm going to be taking her highlight color. It's like a, again, this could be my lighting, but it looks a little bit like a lilac, a light lilac. Could be pink, depending how you look at it. I'm going to take that color and pop it right into the inner corner of the eye. Wow, that is really pretty. I don't know if it's doing it justice on camera. That's as far in as it'll zoom. But yeah, really pretty color. Wow. I'm going to take the white highlight shade right next to it, and I'm going to pop that on the brow bone. Again, a very pigmented, pretty white highlight. I'm going to put a little bit more of that dark purple in my V, the outer V. I just feel like it's lacking. Taking my small pencil brush, I'm going in with that dark plum color again, a nice purple, and I'm going to be putting that on the lower lash line. Just dragging out from that top color down onto the lash line. And going back with that purpley, nice lilac highlight. I'm going to be taking that and from the inner corner of my lower lash line, dragging that out. I can't get enough of that color. It is so pretty. I know I've only used 4 colors, but this is a really pretty highlight. I don't know if I would like it on the cheeks, but it's really pretty as far as in the inner corner of the eye. And you know I'm all about that highlight, so. I don't know, just keep piling and piling it on. Sorry, I'll stop. Okay, and finally to finish off this look, obviously I'm gonna put some eyelashes on in 1 second, but I want to highlight my cheekbones. As you can see, I do not have any highlight on my face, and that's just not normal. So we're gonna take, kind of keep it in the same realm of color. We're gonna take this pinky highlight right here. Pretty. Very pretty highlight. Like, I can see it on the camera and it looks really nice, and it looks really pretty in person too. So I'm gonna put my eyelashes on and I'll be right back. I'm gonna be using the Kiss lashes too, by the way. Be right back. Alrighty, eyelashes are on, as you can see. I threw on some mascara, the e.l.f. mascara, and I was still missing something, so I just added a purple eyeliner pencil by Wet n Wild on the waterline of my lower lash. So that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I would highly recommend this palette. I'm super excited to try out some of the other colors. So a lot of the browns, this brown just looks really pretty right here. And touching these eyeshadows and the highlighters, they're so creamy. And I've never felt an eyeshadow this creamy before. And again, you'd be like, Amanda, you buy drugstore, that's why. But this is a drugstore, people. This is from BH Cosmetics. So don't knock it until you try it, okay? I would highly recommend her palette. Good job, Carli Bybel. Really, really pretty palette. This is going to be really pretty for brides. If you are a makeup artist, ladies or gentlemen, would highly recommend this palette if you are a makeup artist, or if you're just someone that wants a really pretty palette. It is bigger, so it's probably harder to travel with, but I say, hey, it's a pretty palette, you might as well travel with it, right? I'm not though, because my suitcase is probably already 900 pounds by now. So speaking of that, this is my last video for the next 2 weeks. You will not be seeing anything from me until the end of March. Give this video a big thumbs up, as this is going to be the last one you see for quite some time. I apologize, but I'm on vacation with my family and I want to enjoy the vacation with my family. Hope you guys could understand that. But like I said, thanks so much for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe down below if you want to see more looks like this in the future, more YouTubers that have come out with palettes such as Carli Bybel. Leave a comment down below, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys, 2 weeks from now, bye!